Let's talk a little more about the 3 brackets we created. Brackets for different wall depths that exist in construction. Pella offers brackets for standard 2x4 walls, standard 2x6 walls, and an adjustable bracket which allows for varying wall depths of 1/8" increments. In this example, we've used a 2x6 wall construction with a non-jam extended window. You can see here how the bracket gauges nicely to the interior of the rough opening. Speaking of rough openings, Pella recommends the clearance on wood windows is 3/4 inch overall for a single opening and 1 inch on combinations. The absolute minimum overall clearance required is 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch per side. Sufficient clearance between the window and the rough opening is necessary to allow for construction tolerances and room for installation flashing materials, shims, and other things. Please note that operating outside of these recommendations with any window could create issues for the downstream trades as well as performance of the window. If you build a deeper wall depth, use a sheeting greater than 7/16 of an inch, or you encounter inconsistency in the framing, the flip and click installation bracket will deliver a consistent interior reveal. The bracket can also be used to accommodate for walls that are out of plumb. We recommend you or your Pella sales rep has these on hand for those unexpected rough opening inconsistencies.